friends, I am in Thekkady in a resort called Elephant Court. So in this video I'll be giving you a room tour of the room in which we are staying. This is the type called patio. So they have different categories of room. So this is one of the basic categories. So let's get started. So once you enter, there is this wardrobe and a space to keep luggage. This is kind of a passage from the main door. This is the main door which has a glass partition, and then just opposite to that entrance is the bathroom. Inside the bathroom there is the shower area. Some storage below, mirror and the commode. And once you come out of the bathroom, that is the main entrance, and this portion is the room. Once you enter the room, you have a bed, king size bed with side tables on either side. We have taken an extra bed because we are 2 adults and 2 kids. To accommodate that, there is a seating arrangement in the corner with a table, and this side there is a desk, and here is a TV and a mini bar. Here there is a table again there. Now the interesting part, just have a look at the ceiling. Completely made of wood to keep the heat away. Summers are quite hot in Kerala, so having this kind of wooden roof will ensure that your rooms stay cool in spite of the heat outside. Now let us go to the balcony. So just to give you an overview, we entered from this side and you can see the whole view of the room this way. The door over there is leaning to balcony. So now I'm going to open the balcony. Quite a huge balcony with a reclining kind of chair with footrest and a table, and you see the seating arrangement. It's very nice, and they have a light here and wooden ceiling again. You can have a glimpse of the swimming pool there. This is a nice place just to sit and relax. Evening, have your tea and chit chat with your family, or just read a book. Just a very good place to relax. One thing which the property folks advised me to be aware of is not to keep the balcony doors open because of the menace of monkeys here. They enter through the balcony into the room and pick up stuff from your room and hop off and run away. So that is one thing which we were made aware by the hotel staff here. hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel to get updates of more such videos. Thank you for watching.